Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Ito guys nyo rotation ng jungle para makasnowball agad kayo gagana sa kahit anong jungle hero. First red buff agad sunod naman ang katabi ng red buff tapos baba agad kayo mas maiigi kung nakabantay ang tank nyo sa purple buff para di ma-invade. Dito kukunin ko sana yung gold grab ng EXP kaso nakuha na ng kakampi ko kaya mid to purple buff na agad. Katapos ng purple buff kinan mo ang mga natitirang jungle monster. At rekta na agad sa turtle mas maigi talaga nakukuha ang first turtle kasi malaki ang bigay nitong gold kaysa sa pangalawa at pangtatlong turtle. Kung nakikita nyo priority ko ang turtle. Pag makuha mo na yung turtle malaki ng lamang ng gold ang team nyo kaya pag mayroong kang pagkakataon pwede ka namang harass ng kalaban.
I present to you the red. My heart sings
Killing spree!
to my clan.
Request backup!
Our totem pole will rise in every corner.
An ally has slain the turtle!
Taste my axe.
Mega kill!
At kung mayroong pagkakataon kunin mo mga jungle monster ng kalaban.
An enemy has been slain! Unstoppable! An ally has slain the turtle! Enemy dominated!
Dahil sa sobrang lamang kuna dito inasal kuna ang mga kalaban.
You destroyed a turret! Request backup! Shut down! Enemy blood! An enemy has been slain! Monster kill!
We must reclaim our honor.
An ally has been slain.
There are no true allies except
Launch
for us.
attack! Initiate retreat! Destroy the turret! Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Get down! Legendary!
For honor and freedom!
Our turret has been destroyed.
Death to all weaklings!
An ally, our turret is under attack. Legendary! An enemy has been slain. Double kill. An ally has been slain. Triple kill.
The hellfire will burn you into ashes!
Your team destroyed a turret.
I will free all the orcs.
Dahil sa ganda ng set tank namin naka-Meniet pa ako dito.
Double kill! Triple kill! Maniac! Mega kill! Your team destroyed the turret!
Para sa mga guide and tips pa-follow at subscribe naman guys, maraming salamat.